At Lesaffre, we believe in the infinite potential of microorganisms. We've been working on it for more than 170 years. And despite pushing its boundaries for so long, we have yet to discover the limits of what fermentation can bring to the living. So naturally, we came to this conclusion: fermentation has unlimited potential. Unlimited potential in the food sector, to better nourish and protect the planet in challenging environments while the climate is rapidly evolving. Unlimited potential for health. Whether it's preventive or curative, microorganisms can help better take care of our health and that of every living species. Unlimited potential for biotech, to reshape entire industries from within, replacing fossil-derived molecules, powering biopharmaceuticals, and building the living infrastructure of tomorrow's economy. 3 fields of activity, split into agile business units, where we believe fermentation is key to help humanity live a healthier, more durable and sustainable existence. And we know what we are talking about. Lesaffre employs 11,700 talents of over 100 nationalities in more than 60 countries on the 5 continents. Together with our customers, partners and 850 world-leading research, development and innovation experts, we develop new solutions and build a global ecosystem in order to change the way we feed and care for the world. The challenges are real. By 2050, there will be 9 billion people to nourish and entire industries to reinvent. But despite the immensity of the challenges ahead, we believe the potential of fermentation is even greater. We believe the potential of fermentation is unlimited. We are Lesaffre. Fermentation unlimited.